The profound shadow, exploring the beauty within the darkness. In discussions about the quality of death, little attention is given to the profound shadow. However, it is within this internal darkness that we may discover an indescribable beauty and depth. The profound shadow is not inherently negative. Rather, it is a part of internal complexity. It encompasses the unspoken pleasures and challenges that lie beneath the surface. Within this shadow, we may find a powerful creativity and the courage to embrace various facets of life. At times, the profound shadow represents the most authentic part of a person's inner self. It serves as a starting point for self-exploration, understanding contradictions, and embracing the beauty of imperfection. Under this shadow, we may authentically engage in a dialogue with ourselves, accepting buried emotions, and discovering inner strength. Exploring the profound shadow is a courageous adventure, a confrontation with the complexity of human nature, and an acceptance of life's uncertainties. In the shadow, we might discover the beauty within the darkness, an authentic and unique existence that enriches our profound inner world.